Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do deep cleaning of the fridge and arrange everything that's there inside. Welcome. I'm Beatrice. I'm based in Saudi Arabia. I work as a housemaid. I share my life journey as a Saudi housemaid, aka Shagala Kadama. Those are Arabs' name, the way they call us. I share my life journey working here. I do all the styles which housemaids do here in Saudi Arabia, e.g. cooking, cleaning, shopping, and laundry, and everything. You see, today we are going to do deep cleaning of the fridge. Come along with me. If you are new here, you are welcome to the house of recipes. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and leaving a sweet comment, and make sure to subscribe. And for all my returning subscribers, I love you so very much for the love and support that you are showing me. Let's keep going. Let's do it together. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Come along with me as I'm going to remove all the things in the fridge. Yeah. Baking soda, this one, baking soda. I sprinkle a little here on the sahan, and a little of vinegar, this one, so the fridge can see. I've cleaned all those. Now it's time to arrange. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. it's time to clean the freezer. I'll get back to you after I complete. Organizing the fridge and cleaning. As you can see now, it's perfect, very clean. Clean. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, like, share with others who like contents like these ones. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. God bless you. I love you. Bye.